Hello and welcome to SKANS ECampus. SKANS ECampus is a gold-approved learning partner of ACCA. On this channel, we bring you demo videos of different courses available at SKANS ECampus. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get notifications of additional videos and hit the like button.
In this lecture of IS-24 related party disclosures, we are now going to move forward and identify that what are the parties which may apparently seem to be a related party, but they do not fulfill the criteria as per IS-24. As we covered in our previous lecture, it is very important to correctly identify whether a party is a related party or not. So in our previous lecture, we saw all the possible conditions through which a party can be a related party of the reporting entity. It can be a person or it can be another entity. Over here in this lecture, we are going to see the persons or the entities which may seem to be related parties, but they do not fulfill the criteria under IS-24. So over here, we are going to see that which parties are not related parties. Starting off with, first of all, two entities simply because they have a director or key management personnel in common, then they are not going to be related parties. So the standard is very clear that when only a director or any other member of key management personnel is common, or because a member of key management personnel of one entity has significant influence over the other entity, they are not going to be related parties. Then, two venturers who share joint control over a joint venture. So this is very interesting. Over here, we are talking about venturers. They are not related parties of each other. So if they have a joint control over a joint venture, then they are not going to be related parties of each other. They are going to be related parties for the venture itself individually, but they are not going to be related parties to each other. Then, providers of finance. At times, we have lending parties from whom we have taken loans. The reporting entity may have such relations with banks or any other financing companies. No matter how much the amount of finance has been raised from the providers of finance, they are not going to be classified as related party under IS-24. Then, in case of trade unions, which may have a significant say in the decision making of the company, they are not related parties. Any government department or agencies, so for example, the companies or the reporting entity may be continuously in contact with the tax department. Even then, they are not going to be related parties. The suppliers or customers of the company, no matter how major they are not going to be classified as related parties. Then, the employees of the company, although they may be involved in the day-to-day working, they are not related parties. Then, auditor of the company who is auditing the financial statements of the company, they are not going to be related parties. Then, any kind of franchisor or distributor, or what we say, a general agent with significant transactions with respect to the volume of the business. So just by virtue of their normal dealings with an entity, they are not going to be classified as related parties. So over here, just the economic dependence is not going to be a factor on the basis of which you're going to classify a party as a related party. So these are the major areas for whom, if they come up in your exam question, you have to clearly tell that they are not going to be related parties under IS-24, and therefore no related party disclosures need to be made in this regard. Thank you.
If you like this video, visit our website www.skansecampus.com to purchase the complete course at affordable prices. Register today at no cost and access our free 10-day trial.